I'm Irene, and welcome back to another episode of Kimchi as We Know It. Today I'm going to try a really special kimchi called Silbi Kimchi. Silbi Kimchi became really popular in Korea because it's supposed to be so spicy that people were trying it on social media and it became part of this really viral challenge. So I'm super excited to try this challenge. I'm a little bit nervous because I've heard it's super spicy. So let me try a bite. Oh. It's like the heat is coming up on my face. It's hot. Oh, but it has a really nice flavor. I love sort of like the rich umami flavor that it has underneath all the spiciness. So I think it'd be great if we could tame it a little bit. I have this grilled cheese sandwich in mind, so let's go try it. Koreans love to pair cheese with spicy things, so I feel like this will be a nice Korean American take on it. So first we're going to mix the cheese. Got some grated cheddar here. And then I'm gonna mix that with the Silbi Kimchi. There's two different packages. I feel like the small one is perfect for sort of personally eating, and the big one is perfect for cooking with. A little more. Okay, I'm gonna add that and then see how we feel. All right, I'm gonna mix this up. And I'm gonna grab 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna use some sourdough. These are gonna be the basis of my grilled cheese. I have my trusty mayo. This is the key to a good grilled cheese, in my opinion. Instead of just butter, just using a little bit of mayo kind of gives it that extra caramelized, roasty toasty flavor. Spread that all around. Then I'm gonna build my grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna place on my kimchi cheese mixture onto one side. Okay, I think that should be good. All right, I'm gonna place my other bread on top and our sandwich is ready to cook. So I got a pan here, heat it up, add in our butter. All right, now we're gonna put in our grilled cheese. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. This was such an easy recipe to put together. I mean, how much more simple could it be? You're just mixing the kimchi and the cheese and then putting on this beautiful bread. And you're I just need a little bit of a spicy kick. This would be perfect. Oh, it already smells so good. Smoking a little bit, so I'm gonna flip it over. Oh. Whoa, look at that. See, that's what I'm talking about. Give it a nice little smush. Get all that cheese melting. It's all done, the cheese is nice and melted, so I'm gonna transfer this to a board and cut it. Okay. Ooh, that good crisp. All right. Let's try our finished ooey gooey cheesy kimchi grilled cheese. I'm super excited to try. Look how gorgeous it is. It has so much flavor from just the Silbi Kimchi alone. Even though this was something that had so few ingredients, it has so much flavor. I just love how crispy and crunchy it is from that mayo, which was extra key. And also the spiciness of the Silbi Kimchi is really sort of captured by the creaminess of the mayo and the cheddar cheese. It is so delicious. I just love this combination. You have to try it at home. Let me know in the comments what your favorite spicy food pairing is. I can't wait to try it in the next video. Thank you so much for joining. This was super delicious. I hope you try it at home.